If you need to change board permissions in Lucidspark, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to give someone full editing access, limit them to comments, or switch a shared board to view only, Lucidspark makes it easy to control who can do what. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidspark account and open the board that you want to update. Make sure you're on the correct board before changing anything, especially if you manage multiple projects or shared workspaces. Once the board is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where all of your sharing and access settings live. After the Share menu opens, you'll see the people or links that currently have access to the board. Now find the specific collaborator or share link you want to update. If you're changing access for a person, look for their name or email. If you're changing link access, look for the shared link settings. Next, open the permissions drop-down beside that collaborator or the link. Lucidspark gives you a few different permission options, and each one controls how much access the person has. If you choose Can Edit and Share, that person can make changes to the board and also invite others. If you choose Can Edit, they can work on the board, but they won't be able to manage sharing settings. If you choose Can Comment, they'll be able to leave feedback without making direct changes. And if you choose Can View, they'll only be able to see the board without editing or commenting. Pick the option that matches what you want that person or link to be able to do. This is especially useful when you're collaborating with teammates, sharing a presentation board, or sending a planning board to clients who only need review access. Once you've selected the new permission level, Lucidspark applies the change automatically. You usually do not need to click a separate Save button. To finish, just close the Share window. That's it. Your updated permissions are now active. If you want to double check, you can reopen the Share menu and confirm that the correct access level is showing. Now you know how to change board permissions in Lucidspark the easy way. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.